Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my LookFantastic unboxing for you. It arrived yesterday, January 5th. It has never arrived that quickly. You remember back in the days where I complained about that my box arrived around the 15th, 16th, 17th, or that it didn't arrive at all? So you're telling me that all this time it would have been possible for the box to arrive in the beginning of the month? I'm actually very speechless, but it's again not very secured. I feel like 2024 will be the year where I receive a box that's absolutely wrecked, where something inside has exploded and I cannot use any of the products anymore. I'm speaking it into existence. I can already tell. So let's open up the box. I also hate this box so much. Oh my god. Not one, not two, 3 coupons. We have the QR code here. At least that is in. First off, are you kidding me? Because we had this one like 15 times already. Second off, this is a nail polish. This is glass. This could have easily been broken. Let me scan the QR code and then we'll get to it. The January edit. This is what it looks like. So we're gonna start off with the first product. This one. Yes, this is so small. This was the preview from last month. This is the Veleda Skin Food Rich Intense Skincare. I have the full size of it. It's like my second or third tube that I have of those. Oh no, it's one of those metal ones. It's fine. You know, I know how this works. I've repurchased it several times. I'm okay with it. This is the deluxe size. It's 10 milliliters, so it will be rather easy to use up because I use quite a lot of face cream because I know my skin just needs the moisture. So this is what it looks like. I told you in the last video, like the last unboxing, that I heard allegedly Hailey Bieber is using that, and I figured, well, if she uses it and has nice skin, I might as well use it too. This is worth £2.99. A natural multitasking moisturizer for dry, rough skin from head to toe. This antioxidant-rich moisturizer helps to protect the skin against environmental aggressors and can be used on the face, body, neck, and décolletage area. Ideal for use during winter. The formula is enriched with a blend of rosemary, sunflower seed oil, chamomile, and beeswax to intensely nourish and condition the skin. So like I said, I have repurchased this cream several times. I noticed this. Up next we have this one here. The Philip Kingsley Maximizer Root Boosting Spray. I can definitely use that, okay? I know. I'm just gonna spray it to see what it smells like. That smells very fancy, like a fancy hair salon. This is the deluxe size and it's worth £12. This multi-benefit spray has a high-performance formula that promotes visible volume to support full-looking hair. Enriched with hydrolyzed keratin, the heat-activated spray targets the root to encourage the appearance of stronger strands, whilst antioxidant protection helps shield the hair from environmental damage. Producing a residue-free finish, the texture spray helps to support your locks with shine and body. You can spray onto damp or dry hair and blow dry for maximum volume. So I think you have to use this with a blow dryer. I don't really use a blow dryer. I'm just going to try it out like this. I mean, I have already sprayed it, so I cannot really sell it anymore. But we will try it out. Maybe it works. It smells like like actual hairspray, you know, like in the can. But also smells like very nice high-end shampoo. I mean, I can definitely feel the texture is a bit sticky, so I feel like it would work well with a blow dryer. I would definitely try that with a blow dryer. So then next is something that we had before. I don't know if it's the exact same thing, but it definitely looks similar. This is the Dr. Lip Superfood Elderberry Tint for lips, cheeks, and eyelids. I think we had that before. Maybe not for the eyelids, but definitely for the lips and cheeks. Oh my god. Such a thick consistency. Like, I'm pressing really hard to get something out. Holy moly. Oh, that's actually very beautiful. Let me see. I have my mirror here. I came prepared. Can you see, like, I don't know if I'm actually going to like this. It doesn't taste good. I think I already said that when we had this the first time. It does not taste good at all. It tastes like, you know those artificial Christmas trees? Like the old plastic ones. It smells like that. How do I know what that smells like? We have an old artificial Christmas tree. And I just took that out. It looks nice though, but can I get over the taste? I know which one. Would I use it on my eyes? Let me know if you want to see me use that on my... I have a look in mind. I might do one. Can you see that I use this twice now as a swatch, and then on my lips it's half empty. Okay, so this is the deluxe size and it's worth $6.99. Add a subtle hint of ultra moisturizing color to your lips, cheeks and eyelids. With this multi-purpose tint in the deep red shade of elderberry, this tinted balm is made with 4 natural ingredients, including edible plant-based pigments to target dryness with intense hydration, and gets its subtle color from juicy elderberries. It's also powered by a medical-grade lanolin from free-roaming Australian sheep's wool that's been refined and cleansed from environmental pollutants. So this product is cruelty-free. Oh, I took the swatch off. I want to show the swatch. Oh my god. I don't know if I can get over all the taste. It's weird. Oh, this one I will not use. It's the So Eco Jade Stone Gua Sha. You know what that one looks like, right? I'm not gonna open it. I will probably sell it or give it to someone. I don't like. I had 2 sets. I had the rose quartz and I had the jade one as well. I didn't use them. Like I use them for like maybe like 3 days in a row and then I stopped. I just don't use it. But here it is. Right? It looks nice. So this is the full size. Well, I would have been surprised if this was not the full size. And it's worth £10. This Jade Gua Sha facial and neck massage stone helps to alleviate muscle tension, aid lymphatic drainage and circulation, and increase product absorption for a more revitalized appearance, whilst the jade stone restores a sense of harmony and tranquility. If you're looking for beauty that's not just skin deep, this product will help you introduce Ayurvedic beauty and holistic skincare into your self-care rituals to nourish your skin from the inside out. Honestly, no offense, but I have to take this thing off. It's just it feels sticky, and the more you talk, the more like it gets into your mouth. Obviously, it's also not moisturizing at all. Oh no, not sponsored, but I already have the Laneige one. Oh my god, that was terrible. I literally feel like the more I read, you know, about the Gua Sha stone, the more I read about it, the more I had that weird taste in my mouth. Next is this one. This works. Stress Check Mood Manager. A motion-activated aromatherapy spray to create a soothing, balanced atmosphere wherever you are. What? We had the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray 5 times already. Now we got something else. The Stress Check Mood Manager. Okay, so this is the deluxe size. It's worth £10. Wow, holy shit. Boasting a 100% natural blend of pure essential oils, this fragrance spray helps to promote feelings of tranquility, working to relieve stress and alleviate low moods through aromatherapy. The fragrance features a super blend of yang, neroli and patchouli are specifically created using fMRI, brain imagining technology to help relieve feelings of stress. What? Honestly, if this would work, I would have to drown myself on this to reduce my stress. You can definitely smell the patchouli. I love patchouli. I don't know about this. My mom always had like a perfume that had, it was not full on patchouli, but it definitely had patchouli in it. It just always reminds me of it. So, I mean, I would try it out. Right? I'll go in with an open mind. Will this really relieve my stress and, you know, make me feel better? Probably not, but I will try that. You receive one of the following products. This is the last product already. You either get this one that I have, or you get the Nails Inc. Gel Rehab Base Coat, or you get the, oh, we had that one before, thank god I don't have that one. The NCLA Beauty So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. I got this one here. This is the Nails Inc. Get Hard Rebuilding Nail Hardener. I need this. Listen, one of my most watched videos, the most watched video on my channel is 5 things that people didn't tell you about iron deficiency. Guess who once again has an iron deficiency? It's been, I think, 6 years since I've done the video, or 5. It's back and it's worse than ever. I have an acute iron deficiency. And one of these signs of iron deficiency is nails literally just splitting, if that makes sense. You know, like I had times where this nail, for example, I could just go underneath and pull the whole top layer off. There was still nails underneath. It just chipped so badly, I could pull it off. So, this will come in, it's also handy. Can you see this one, how I had to, can you see how I had to cut this one here? It broke off. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna cut it. This one as well is also crooked because I had to cut off here. These break off all the time. I need this. This is nice to have. I think I'm gonna, I think you have to take it off and then use like this. That smells like a very strong, do you know? Like those, like cheap stores on the, like if you go into Italy, for example, you have like the €1 shops. You have nail polish there. That's basically what it smells like. So I think I use this one before my base coat, right? Please correct me if I'm wrong. It's nice. So I'm actually going to repaint my nails today. This comes in very handy. You have no idea how handy this comes in. Oh my god. This is the full size and is worth £9. Designed to harden the appearance of your nails, this nail straightener promotes stronger looking nails in just 1 week. Suitable for brittle, damaged nails, yes. The formula uses a blend of naturally nourishing ingredients including biotin, kale, spinach and mushrooms to visibly harden and protect. Added retinol enhances the treatment to promote a chip-proof finish. Apply 2 coats to clean nails twice weekly. Oh, I will not paint my nails today. I actually want to paint it because I dyed my hair. In case you haven't seen the video, I will link it here. And obviously there's still dye in my hair, and every time I touch it, my nails get stained. As you can probably see from these two. So I wanted to cover it up with nail polish to make it look nice. I think, getting my nails back in shape is more important than the nail polish color itself. So I will definitely try that one out. Okay, so that was everything that was in the box. Let me know what you think. Is it the best box ever? Definitely not. Is it bad? Not really. I'm super excited about these two. And the rest is just like, I'm not going to use this. Then we have these 3 left. This is absolutely horrendous. It might look good on the cheeks and on the eyes, but on the lips, no. This is just a gimmick. Let's be honest. Right? And this one, I have to see a bit more with the, like a blow dry. So overall, it was not the worst box. And it went rather quickly, so you get a bonus point for that. Look fantastic. But you had coupons in. So we have the Live here, Feature Skin with Veleda. Quite a whole article about that. 2 pages actually. Maximizing Volume with Phil Kingsley. So we have Annabelle Kingsley, brand president of Phil Kingsley, who is giving an interview on how to use this and about the brand. Super nice. The Manicure with Chloe Battimelli. Is that right? I'm sorry if I butchered the name. Product Development Director at Nails Inc. A Hint of Tint with Dr. Lip. Some of it doesn't make sense, but they have a gloss eyeshadow, which obviously makes sense. They have a glossy blush, which also makes sense, but they have a tinted lip gloss and a lip balm. How can it be both? Like, it's a tinted lip balm. It's not a lip gloss. Like, have you seen the consistency of this? That was basically everything. So we have the LookFantastic Valentine's Day. Come on. Can you believe they already have Valentine's Day stuff? What the hell? I'm gonna be honest with you, 2023 flew by so fucking fast. I don't even remember what I did. I probably did a lot of things, but I did nothing at all. You know what I mean? It's just time flies. Like, the older you get, the faster time flies. Oh, what's coming up? Ooh, Peter Thomas Roth. If you haven't seen the video, I'll link it here where I tried the special Firm X eye treatment thing. So nice, loved it. Peter Thomas Roth Rose Stem Cell Anti-Aging Gel. No, wait, hold on. That's such a big name. Hold on. Peter Thomas Roth Rose Stem Cell Anti-Aging Gel Mask. Here we go. And that's it. That was everything. Let me know what you think. Have you ever had any of these things? I mean, maybe you had the guasha stone, so maybe we'll leave that out. But of these things, have you ever had any of those? It's getting a little repetitive with these things here. I know 100% that we had this one before, and we also had the pillow spray. I feel like they just rebranded it and said, oh, this is like a mood booster. You know what? I'm gonna give this to my boyfriend. Because I'm gonna walk up to him and say, hey, listen, I know we have a lot of stress at work, but guess what helps? This spray. It's magic, right? It's like, welcome to Hogwarts. Your stress will be gone. You will probably look at me in a very funny way. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'll see you next one.